I'm on the payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where the plans we made for you? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture next to me. Say it's too late to make it, why is it too late to try? And time to waste it all over bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at the payphone trying to call home. The time's gone, baby, so long. Where the plans we made for you? If happy ever after didn't exist, I will still be holding you like this. You know the fairy tales are full of shit. Want my fucking outside on this shit. Oh. You turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I never said it before, but our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at the payphone. Where have the times gone, baby? So long. Where the plans we made for you? If happy ever after exists, I was still be holding you like this. And all the fairy tales are full of shit. What the fucking love song though? This is Payphone.
Man, fuck that shit. I be out spending all this money on sitting around nothing. Made from the bottom, when you see me, I'm studying. Another of my cars don't have the buttons. Tell me chance I play whatever you call it. Just the number of phones when you call it. Don't need button. Switch, but I show you got bit. A really good game, but you missed your shot, so you top of heels on the top. Sorry for fine bully valet, open doors. We go away. Now it's me with the ones who go take it out of the picture with you.
I'm at the payphone.
If happy ever after didn't exist, I will still be holding you like this. And now this fairy tales are full of shit. You want my fucking love song, now this is. Now I'm at the payphone.